Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to configure BGP or the border gateway protocol in Juniper router. As you can see here, we have in our lab we have 4 routers and 2 switch from Cisco, and we have 2 servers. In this lab we will make reachability between 2 autonomous systems or different autonomous systems. Okay, so we have autonomous system 100 and we have the autonomous system 200, and we will enable the internal routing like OSPF and static, and also the external routing like BGP. We will also configure the different type of the BGP, internal and external BGP. First of all, need to configure the IPs. After that, we need to configure the OSPF, and also after that we will configure the BGP. So let's start. So let's move to the first router. So I'm in the first router, the VMX1. So I will set interfaces. Set interfaces Giga 003. I will give the unit 0 with family INET address is 14001/24. So the same one we will give the 10001 but /30. Okay, and go to the interface Giga 002. And also we will need to configure the loopback address by using address 1111/32, and need to change the interface name interface loopback 0. Okay, and commit. So let's move to the next one is the VMX number 2 or the second router. Set interface Giga 0002 with unit 0 family INET address with 10002/30. So we need to change the interface now. So with 30 we will keep it here, and 1 here, and 11. Then change the interface Giga 003. Need to configure also the loopback by using 2222. Okay, and need also to change the loopback. Okay, so and commit. Let's go in the third router, the same configuration. This is just give an IP interface Giga 003 unit 0 family INET address with 11002/30. Okay, also need to change 3112, and here we change it as Giga 02. As you can see, Giga 02. Okay, and also need to configure the loopback. The loopback is 3333. Okay, and here need to change this name interface loopback 0. Okay, and commit. And the fourth one we have here also set interface Giga 002 with family or unit 0 family INET address here 12002/30. need also here, but here /24 13.1. Okay, and here change to 3, and also the loopback is 4444. Okay, and here loopback 0. Okay, and commit. So here already we configure the IP. So now need to configure the OSPF, and the same time, or we can let's move to the OSPF first. So let's go. Need to give the router ID set routing option. Okay, router ID I will give the loopback 111. Okay, this is first one, and set protocol OSPF area. So we will use area 0 here, and mention the interfaces. So the interface we have Giga 003, and we have Giga 002, and we have the loopback 0. Okay, and let's make commit. So it's okay. Now let's move to the next one. In the next one, need the OSPF enable just in the loopback and in Giga 002. Okay, so let's go to set routing option. Router ID is 222. Okay, and set protocol OSPF area 000 and what is it? The activate the interface is Giga 002 with loopback 0. Okay, and commit. If you see now what's okay, loopback 0 like this. Okay, and commit. What is it? The error, the interface range. Okay, interface range is not defined. Okay, let me check. Loopback 0 like this. Okay, let me need to delete this one first. Make delete. Okay, and commit like this. It's okay now. So now if you're checking the routing table, show route, so we have we don't have the OSPF yet update. Okay, so we will wait now. So we need to see the 11 by OSPF because already we configured the OSPF. So now I have new update is 111 by OSPF. If you ping to this server is 14002. I don't know if we didn't configure the IP, so I will configure IP here in the host in the server 2 with 255.255.255.0 14001. So let's make the ping between the router and the server. Okay, VMX2. So let's ping from here, run ping 14002. Source is 222. Okay, so the ping is successful. So we are finished the internal routing here. So let's move to these two routers. So now we need also to configure the set routing option or the router ID with 333 and set protocol OSPF area 00. Okay, with interface here we have two interface Giga 002 and the loopback interface Giga 002 and loopback 0 and let's commit. We are finished here. Let's move to the VMX4. Okay, the same configuration, set routing option router ID 444. Okay, and set protocol OSPF area 0. Okay, with interface here we have three interface, sorry, Giga 002 and we have 3 and we have the loopback 0 and commit. Okay, so now we need to configure this server by IP 13.002.255.255.255.0 13.001. Okay, if you now checking the routing table, if there is any update about the OSPF, or run show route. Okay, we didn't receive yet. Okay, let's wait. So now we need to see the 33 by OSPF. So now we have a new update 333 by OSPF. If you try to ping from this router in the 3 to the server, so we have ping. Is any problem if you run ping to 13.002 source 333, so ping successful. So now already we configured the internal routing is all we are using here, the OSPF. So let's move to configure the BGP or the external BGP. Let's start with external BGP, then we will go in the internal BGP. So need to access to VMX2. Okay, so first of all need to set routing option. After that, here choose the autonomous system. So here we have the autonomous system is 100. Okay, then we will access to protocol BGP, set protocol BGP. So we will give the name of the group. So name of group is external BGP. Okay, external BGP. Type here is external. Okay, and also set protocol BGP group external BGP. Okay, so here need to mention the local address. The local address we are using for update, so we will use the loopback 00222. Okay, then also we will mention the neighbor. Our neighbor is external is 33. Okay, 33. Okay, and the peer AS, what is it, is 1 or 200. So here also we need the multi-hop, because by default the external BGP we have the TTL only one. So in this case we are using the loopback, need to increase it. So here the multi-hop, I think multi-hop, what is it? Yes, multi-hop, TTL is 2. So now all are okay. So about the BGP, okay, and commit. Okay, so this is about the first router. The second router also need to configure the BGP set protocol or set routing option. Autonomous system here is 200, and set protocol BGP. So the BGP will give name group, so we will put it as eBGP also, and this type is external. Okay, after that need to mention the local address. The local address here we have 333. Okay, and the neighbor we have is 3 or 222 with the peer AS. What is it? The peer AS is 100. And also need to mention the multi-hop okay, TTL with 2, and commit. After that, if you now checking the run show BGP summary, so as you can see, still in active states. Why? Because we didn't configure the static routing between these two loopback. Now need to configure the static loopback. Okay, let's do set routing option with static route to 333/32. Okay, the next hop, what is it? Through 11.0.0.2. This is commit, and go in another one, in another router, the same set routing option route or static route. Okay, is 222/32. The next hop here we have 11.0.0.1 and commit. Now need to wait to see our update or BGP update. Run show BGP summary. So now as you can see, the states now is up. So if you didn't see the idle here or active, if you see like this 0/0/0, it means established. Okay, so we don't have problem here about the external BGP. Now what we need to configure the internal BGP. So how to configure internal BGP? Let's start with the VMX1. Okay, so set routing option with autonomous system autonomous system is 100, okay, and set protocol BGP, so the group here I need to change the name is external BGP, internal BGP or IBGP, okay. The type here is internal, okay, and set protocol with the local address. The local address is 1111, okay, and the neighbor, our neighbor is 222, okay, and here need to mention the peer autonomous system is 100. So here we don't need the multi hop TTL because by default is 255. So let's do commit, okay, and after that need also to configure here set BGP or set protocol BGP group, need to change group IBGP, type is internal here, okay. Also set protocol local address. What is it? The local address is 222, and also the neighbor, our neighbor is 1111, okay, 11 with peer autonomous system is 100, okay, and let's do commit, okay. If you're checking now our states of the BGP summary, okay, as you can see still inactive. Let's wait. So in the connect now is up, okay. As you can see our BGP internal and external is up. So now need to configure here also in the two routers set routing or not set routing. So here need to access directly to set protocol BGP, okay. So here the group need to change the group IBGP, okay. The type here is internal, okay, and also need to mention the local address is 333, as you can see here 333, okay, and the neighbor, so now our neighbor internal BGP is 444, okay. Let's do the neighbor 444 with peer autonomous system is 200. So here you have 200 and commit. Let's go in the router number 4. So set protocol or set routing. So here need to mention also the autonomous system first. Routing option with autonomous system, okay. What is it? Is 200, okay. After that set protocol BGP with group, we give the group is external, or sorry, not external, is internal, sorry, internal BGP with type internal, okay. And here need to mention the local address. What is this? Is 444, and the neighbor, what is the neighbor? Is 333 with peer autonomous system is 200 and commit. Now need to confirm our BGP is up, okay, internal and external. Here run show BGP summary, that's still inactive. So now is okay. Now the two type is okay, there is no problem. So what we need now, to export our external BGP and our static between these routers. If you're checking now the route here, if you check now the route, show route or run show route, as you can see here we don't have the BGP yet because we didn't make the policy. So let's do the set policy in these two routers. Let's go. So first of all need to set policy, okay, set policy option, policy routing statements, okay, policy statements. So here need to give the name about the external BGP, or we can do external route, or sorry, the external, yes, external route. This is the name for first one. The term is term one, and protocol, or from what? From protocol. What we use here, the internal, we use the OSPF. Okay, we use the OSPF. Then we will use the term. Okay, term, then accept. Okay, then accept, commit. The same one here. So now just we create the we create the policy. Now need to apply this policy in BGP update. So let's do the set protocol BGP. Okay, so BGP here in the group we have two groups, so we need to choose the group eBGP. Okay, the external BGP. Now then export. What is the export? Our policy is external route, and commit. The same configuration with router number 3. Okay, router number 3. So we will do set policy statement. Okay, policy statement, the same name. Let's do external route, term 1, from what? From the group, group. What is the group? From not group, is protocol, from protocol OSPF, because we are using OSPF. Then accept. Okay, and here set protocol, or set BGP, set protocol BGP, which group? External. Okay, export. Our policy is route, commit. So now if you checking now the route here in the VMX2, let's do VMX2 show, or run show routes, run show route. As you can see here, we have a new route is by BGP is 444, and we have here 14. You see, so I am seeing now the 444 and 13. Where is 13? So here 13 by BGP. You see? Okay. So also we can see from this router this 111 and 1400. Let's do the run show route. Okay. So now I can see 111 by BGP and 14 by BGP also. So now all are okay. I can see by BGP. Now need to access to the VMX1. If I can see the 44 and 13 or not. If you do run show route, as you can see here, we cannot see the 44 network and 13 network. Why? Because we need the one comment in the SBR on the external router or the edge router. We need the next hop self. Okay, so how you can do the next hop self? By using the set policy. Okay, let's go in the VMX number 2 by using set policy statement. So I will give a policy statement, for example, next hop, for example, and the term 1, I will give term 1 from what? From or then I think here we have here the next hop. Yes, next hop, the next hop self. Okay, the next hop self, commit, and need to configure this under the BGP set protocol BGP, which group? Okay, which group? So here we need to mention our group. I will do it in the iBGP. Okay, the iBGP. Okay, export what? Export our policy is the next hop. Okay, and commit now. Now if you checking now in the VMX1, what we can see here, let's do VMX1. Okay, run show route. So as you can see here, I can see 44 and 13. You see, But if you're checking now, we didn't make the configuration here. If you see the 44 now, run show root, okay, so you cannot see 111, so you need to fix the next hop in this router. Let's to fix this in the next this router. So we will use set what policy statements. So next hop, let's to give the name next hop, and we have the term one, okay, from what or not from, then next hop self, okay, next hop self, and after that need to apply it in the BGP or the internal BGP protocol BGP, which group IBGP, okay, because here we have two types we have. So now you need to configure the internal BGP, then export what you export this policy is the next hop, okay, and commit. If you're checking now in the 44 now VMX4, you can see now new root or the 111. I can see 111 and 14, okay, show roots, okay, so now I can see 111 and I can see the 14 by BGP. So let's to ping now from this server to this server, and imagine this is two autonomous system between two countries. So let's do ping, okay, ping to what, to 13002. Yes, so now the configuration all are okay and the ping is okay. Thank you so much for your watching and consideration. So this is video how to configure the border gateway protocol between two different autonomous systems. Thank you so much.